Hello. Today we are going to thread small beads. Thread means putting the string inside the tiny hole and pulling it through. Watch me carefully. Now let's try together. Pick one bead. Hold bead with fingers. Hold string. Put string in. Push, push. Pull. Good job. Let's do another bead. Pick. Hold. Put in. Push. Pull. Nice threading. Ready? Bead and fingers. Find the hole. Put string in. Push. Pull. Great work. Look carefully. Slow hands. Put in. Push. Pull through. Super job. Last bead. Pick. Put in. Push. Pull. Amazing! You threaded 5 small beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You made a beautiful bead string. High five. See you next time.